everyone. I am Parmita. Along with me are Lakshmi, Vaibhav and Raymond presenting on the algorithmic retail in the post-COVID era. This world has changed a lot in just last 2 months just because of this COVID-19. The change was so drastic that each and every industry is affected by it, and one of the most worst is the retail industry. Today's era is all about data. In the last 2 months, we have generated a lot of data as usual used to do before the 2 months. But this data is having a drastic change in the pattern which will help in deciding a lot of things for the future. There are many factors which are totally depending on the COVID-19 history and the pattern, especially in this retail industry. Algorithmic retail helps to optimize and control the cost in various ways. We have the data, that means we have the change in the demand patterns which are detected by the complex neural networks. These neural networks are made up of multiple hidden layers which actually learns the data and tries to give you the result for the future. The data are from the various sources. These sources can be the weather data, the demand data, the transactional data, the pandemic data, the epidemic data, the lockdown data, the travel ban data, the demographic data, and many more. These data are all interconnected with each other. The different areas are the demand forecasting, the workforce optimization, store level optimization, the assortment optimization, but at the end of the day, each and every use case or each and every area are related to each other. And a neural network will understand the pattern and the dependency of one particular area with the other area. The data will be fed into the complex neural network with all the possible combinations, and then hence this neural network will give us the parameters. Each and every business, whenever the person will make some decision, that will be aided by this AI or ML algorithms. COVID-19 is very tragic. It has presented many companies with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to differentiate and adapt. Retailers need to orient the change in the customer behavior as they need to adapt with this change. This supply chain is which is one of the most important factor of the retail is depending on various data, and one of the most important as an example I take as an oil and gas prices. These prices have changed tremendously and hence the full supply chain is affected. But if the supply chain is affected, so as the demand. So with this change of this demand and also with more of accurate forecasted demand, we should be able to understand how algorithmic retail or how the different neural networks will help in coming up with the variables which can be tuned by the business people. So in a nutshell, I would like to say that these algorithmic retailing will help the retail in each and every sector, which will help to take much and much better decisions. Retailers who can revert to the complacency and accept will be staying here, and otherwise they will be out of the business. Thank you.